Well, the stage is set for an afternoon of blockbuster cricket. It's Team India versus the Proteas in the ICC Women's World Cup final, a battle for glory, pride and history. Both sides are chasing their maiden world title, but the nation's hopes rest on our women in blue to bring it home. This will be, remember, Team India's third appearance in a World Cup final as they chase their long-awaited maiden title. For the Proteas, it's a historic first-ever final. The clash unfolds at Navi Mumbai's D.Y. Patil Stadium. In fact, we are expecting that to happen just an hour away from the iconic Wankhede, where MS Dhoni had sealed India's 2011 triumph with that unforgettable six. Now, to reach the final, India pulled off a stunning chase of 339 against the mighty Australians, while South Africa powered past England with a commanding victory in the semis. India and South Africa have faced each other 34 times in the ODIs, with Team India emerging victorious in 20 of those clashes, while the Proteas have won 13, and one match ended without a result. On the World Cup stage, the two sides have met 5 times. India holds the edge there too, winning 3 encounters against South Africa's 2. Now, Team India comes into the final riding on a strong winning streak against South Africa, having triumphed in their last 3 ODI encounters. The two sides faced off twice in a tri-series in Sri Lanka earlier this year. India won the April 29th clash by 15 runs and followed it up with a 23-run victory on the 7th of May. And in June, in 2024 at Bengaluru, India once again outplayed the Proteas, sealing the match by 6 wickets. Now remember, this will be India's third appearance in a World Cup final. As I said, the first came back in 2005 against Australia, where India fell short by 98 runs at Centurion. Then in 2017 at the iconic Lords, India came heartbreakingly close but lost to England by just 9 runs. But this time in Mumbai, history could finally be written. This could be India's moment to lift that long-awaited World Cup trophy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what the entire country today is looking at. Take a look at this report that has been filed by my colleague from the D.Y. Patil Stadium.
The Indian women's cricket team stands on the cusp of history. 2nd November, Sunday, is going to be the big match, the big final, India versus South Africa, right here at the D.Y. Patil Stadium. Lots of fans have gathered here. They want to support Team India. They have been waiting since morning to get the ticket for the big final. They haven't been able to get their hands on the tickets. We will talk about that as well. But first, I want to ask people here कि आप लोग विमेंस टीम के लिए क्या कहना चाहते हैं? जिस तरीके से वो खेली हैं, आप क्या कहेंगे? उनको गुड विशेस देना चाहेंगे वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल के लिए इंडिया वर्सेस साउथ अफ्रीका है?
पहले टिकट तो मिल जाएगा,
इंडिया जीतेंगे और जमाइका इससे भी ज्यादा अच्छी खेलेगी।
जमाइमा उससे भी अच्छा खेलेगी और जमाइमा तो क्या कहते हैं, लोकल भी है, तो उसके लिए तो बहुत
ज्यादा सपोर्ट है, पब्लिक का बहुत ज्यादा सपोर्ट है।
उसकी मिलना मांगता है, पर टिकट मिलना मांगता है।
पब्लिक का सपोर्ट है बट टिकट नहीं मिल रहा है।
They want to support Team India. They want to support the women in blue, but they are waiting for tickets here. You can see how much they are wanting to be inside that stadium on the 2nd of November. They are waiting for those gates to open so that they could go inside and get the tickets. They have one complaint that they have been here since early morning today, but they haven't been able to get tickets. I will speak to this sir over here as well. Sir, you were telling me that you want to watch the match, you want to support the women in blue, but what's stopping you?
2 दिन हो गया, 2 days. I don't get ticket.
Online?
All right, that is, of course, a day earlier, but the enthusiasm, the passion still remains on a high today. And, our call lines are open. You can call us. You can share all your excitement and, of course, what you're looking forward to today. But let's get you a little story. From Rohtak's cricket grounds to the world stage, the spotlight has been on Team India opener Shefali Verma, and her hometown is buzzing with pride. Take a look at this report.
We are here at the hometown, at the home cricket turf of the current opener Shefali Verma, and here you also see various cricketers drilling female budding cricketers, drilling and giving their best. We are here to get a hold of what the female cricketers, the budding cricketers now feel, especially after the trade match, especially after the bar that has been set by the Indian cricket team now. What's your message to the Indian cricket team today?
My message to the Indian cricket team that they do not take any pressure or any burden of our hopes or our, the bar we have set about the Indian girls, but they should play what they play and the spirit they keep of the game, and I wish them best of the luck.
शेफाली दी से कुछ बात हुई है आज फाइनल से पहले, क्या रहा है, कैसा उनका मूड है, बताएंगे एक बार?
बहुत अच्छा मूड है और मैंने कही थी बेस्ट ऑफ लक, अच्छा खेल के आना, जीत के ही आना है वर्ल्ड कप।
अच्छा, जब कॉल आया दीदी के पास, होगी दीदी शुरू में नहीं थी, कॉल आया उसके लिए, तब बात हुई थी, तब कितनी एक्साइटेड थी वो, तब क्या बात हुई थी आप?
जब मम्मी को बताया था सबसे पहले तो मम्मी को तो यूँ कही थी, मम्मी आप गेस करो क्या होगा, बहुत अच्छी खुशखबरी है। तो मम्मी कहती क्या टीम में नाम आ गया, फिर वो कहती आपको कैसे पता, फिर कहती हाँ गेस किया था बस, फिर बहुत खुश हो गए।
तो घर पे सब लोग खुश थे?
हाँ जी।
अच्छा, घर वाले कहाँ गए, मुझे बताया पूजा करने गए, कहाँ पे गए हैं?
कुलदेवी पे गए हैं हमारी राजस्थान
में गए पूजा करने के लिए।
हाँ जी।
आपकी क्या फीलिंग थी मैच को देखकर?
पहले तो लग रहा था कि हार जाएगी, पर फिर जिस तरीके से जमीमा ने कमबैक करा, एक ब्रिलियंट कैच, एक ब्रिलियंट रन आउट, और जो उसने रन बनाए, जो टीम की हेल्प करी, अगर वो आउट हो जाती तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता जीतने के लिए। हाँ, एज अ प्लेयर हम इंडियन टीम को यही मैसेज देंगे कि जिस कॉन्फिडेंस से उन्होंने पिछले मैच में सेमीफाइनल में खेला, इसी कॉन्फिडेंस से वो फाइनल में खेलो और उसे जीत के।
They are also quite confident that India is going to win the silverware.
All right, so that is, of course, Shefali's hometown, all buzzing with pride. Not just her hometown, the entire country today is looking forward to what we will see, especially after the kind of win that we saw from them in the semis. Let me go across to Kush. He's called us from Bengaluru. Kush, good afternoon. Namaskar. Go ahead.
Namaskar. Well, my message to the team is stay calm and collected the way you were in the semi-finals and the way you timed it. The team is on a roll and I think they have peaked at the right time.
Absolutely. Would you like to wish them all the best?
Oh yes, all the best, and we are sure we will win, and they stay as cool as semi-final.
All right. All right, Kush, thank you very much for, sharing all your excitement with us. Of course, remember, viewers, lots of people who are sharing this excitement, lots of reactions also that have come in. Lots of fellow male team members have wished the women's team as well. Take a look.
तारीख भी सेम है, 2 तारीख को हमने जीता था, है ना, मैदान भी सेम है ना, तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि रिजल्ट भी सेम रहेगा। आई होप जो हमारी लड़कियां हैं कल जाएं और भारत देश का नाम रोशन करें। विल ऑल बी बैकिंग द होल लॉट की बस जाओ और अपना बेस्ट गेम खेलो। जीत और हार जो होगी हमें मंजूर है, कोई प्रेशर नहीं व्हाटसोएवर, बट आई एम श्योर जिस तरीके की क्रिकेट खेली है मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि भारत के हाथों में कल ट्रॉफी होगी।
वुमेन क्रिकेट टीम को अभिनंदन करता हूं, उन्होंने बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस करा है और आने वाले दिनों में भी हमारी वुमेन्स क्रिकेट टीम बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस करती रहेगी। मेरी ओर से शुभकामनाएं।
Well, listen in to some words of encouragement pouring in for the women in blue. Remember, all of this has been led by team captain Harmanpreet. She shared how the squad has been feeling ahead of the final. Take a look.
It's a proud moment for me and entire team, and I'm sure entire country must be also very proud the way we have played the last few games, and it's a big day, big game, and at the same time we just want to be very focused and be in the moment. I think that is the key. जब आप ऐसी स्टेज पर होते हो, यहाँ पर वर्ल्ड कप का फाइनल मैच खेल रहे हैं, इससे बड़ी मोटिवेशन आई डोंट थिंक कोई हो सकती है, और सारी टीम बहुत फुल्ली चार्ज अप है, एक दूसरे के साथ खड़े हैं और एक दूसरे के लिए बहुत सारी प्रेयर्स और ब्लेसिंग्स एक दूसरे को दे रहे हैं। आई थिंक दैट शोज कि ये टीम कितनी एक दूसरे के साथ है और हम लोग कितने रेडी है इस मैच के लिए। हार के बाद क्या फील होता है वो तो हमें अच्छे से पता है, लेकिन जीतने के बाद क्या फीलिंग होती है, दैट इज समथिंग विच वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर। और होपफुली ये जो कल का जो दिन है हमारे लिए स्पेशल रहे, हम अपना बेस्ट दें, बेस्ट क्रिकेट खेलें। अभी तक बहुत हार्ड वर्क करा है, इट्स ओनली अबाउट getting everything tomorrow for the team.
Well, today is that big day for Team India. At times now, we will get you continuous coverage as this match starts. And of course, we will all be looking at it very closely. As I said, our call lines are open. You can call us. You can share your excitement. You can wish the team all the luck. You can also share any concerns that you have that Team India should be looking at while they play this match today. Right now, we're slipping into a short break, but we'll come back with our continuous coverage of this massive final that Team India is playing today.